बहुत फ़ायदा मिलता है बिकॉज डिस्कशंस होती है कि आज की ट्रेंड्स क्या है, जैसे वो डिजिटल मीडिया के बारे में बात कर रहे थे एंड हाउ द डिजिटल स्पेस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू अस एंड वी डोंट एक्चुअली टेक इट टू सीरियसली एंड देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट बिटवीन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड कंटेंट एंड आई थिंक अगर सब all the speakers have spoken about that, so obviously there is something to it. And being of today's generation, I can't do without my technology. And obviously they spoke about piracy and about content and about everything. I think, I don't know if you've heard, but the title Hirogiri and the book Hirogiri, my sister's patented, which is I think the first time that we've done. And I think that's something that people should start doing. And so that there are no discussions about the title, there are no discussions about what the content is and everything. So everything belongs to the person and there's no stealing of content or information or creative ideas.
Well, it was great. It's always fantastic. I think the whole emphasis on digital technology is immense this year, and I think we had some really prolific speakers, and of course very grateful to the Honourable Chief Minister who took his precious time out to come and speak to us and give us his extended support. And of course we had people from the Motion Pictures Association, and we had Uday from Star speak, so it was great. I mean, I think the advancement of digital technology and talk about the various possibilities was really the main focus of today.
I think any sort of discussion and any sort of exhibition or any sort of business meeting is always important. They say in India we have something called satsang. You know what satsang means, right? So I think it's very important that you have good satsang so you can grow, you can have the right point of view and values that you can set.
बिल्कुल 12% का ग्रोथ है, जैसे मैंने खुद कहा, और एस्टिमेटेड ग्रोथ 13% का है, फिर इवेंचुअली 16% का है. तो जो इंडस्ट्री है जिसकी जो पाई बढ़ती जा रही है, सिनेगोएस बढ़ता जा रहा है, अब बहुत प्लेटफॉर्म्स आ चुके हैं, तो आई थिंक वी आर ऑन अ ग्रोथ पैटर्न जो बहुत अच्छा है. I don't think it's about multiplexes and single screens. It's about good content. I think every time there's a good film, we wake up like, oh, new films are working. Good films are working. Small, big is incidental. Good films work, bad films don't. Kahani, Pan Singh Tomar, and all the films that have worked this year, last year, are really a validation of the fact that good content works. Yes, that was great. We were glad to have Prasenjit with us here today, who told us about it, that now we already have it down south, we have FICCI down south, we will make headway in the east. Eventually it's going to cover every regional base in this country, and FICCI is going to emerge, which I'm really proud to hear.